Thanks to some dude who loved to drink bad soup, now we are stuck here in our homes trying to convey all the online meetings and online conferences and everything. And you don't want a blurry face when people look at you, right? You want a face that is crispy, a face that is smooth, right? So here we are. This is the Logitech C920 Pro webcam. What is it and what does it do? Is it even good or not? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Chester here. You guys are watching our show right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the Logitech C920 Pro. Yes. So this is a very high-end webcam that is capable of broadcasting at full HD resolution. So this, just a very quick product, right? So just a very quick brief. This is a full HD ready, so you can see here, this is full HD. Okay, and it has autofocus, so it's a very good thing. So it does full HD at, unfortunately, at only 30 FPS. So it does 720p at also 30 FPS. However, there is actually a product that is higher than this called the C922 Pro. This is the C920. Yeah, that one can do 720p at 60 FPS, but this is plenty good enough for most people because if you want to stream stuff, you would want to do it in full HD anyway. So unless you really want that full HD 60 FPS, then you really got to go for those ultra high-end ones. Okay, so back to this product. This product has glass lens. So more in a minute actually as we take a look later. But the autofocus part, I love it. So that means that even when you do it like that or you do it like that, it will try to focus itself rather than just give you a very general outlook of it. Okay, so let's take a look at the box first. C920 works with Chromebook. Why do I don't know why. So it has full HD recording, full HD video calls plus AF. No, AF not for whatever you're thinking. AF means for autofocus. Okay, stereo audio with dual mics, so more on that later. And Logitech capture software. This belongs to the mainstream line, so you can actually install the Logitech software that you can actually control the settings, the exposure and everything. So let's open this up. Okay, so in the box, right, it comes in a very simple, just 2 items only. This is your warranty, safety, compliance information, some other stuff in Chinese, and most importantly, the webcam itself. So the webcam itself is a very, typical looking webcam. I thought this would be blue, but anyway, just to peel off some stuff first. Alright, okay, so down to the webcam now. So at first look, right, the webcam is a standard USB-A interface. Okay, so USB-A, not USB-C, but it's still very common to see lots of webcams using the fairly standard USB-A rather than the newer USB-C, although I would prefer USB-C lah, but that's me. Okay, the cable is actually 1.5 meters long, so that's actually very long. So in case like you want to plug from your desktop or your laptop to a very far away, you can actually do it without like trying to fiddle around with the entire device. Okay, so down to the unit itself. So yes, this has a glass lens. Okay, and these 2 things right here, these are your dual mics. So it has 2 mics, they call it stereo lah. So you can have left and right recording, which makes your recording sound smoother. Although webcam mics are not really very famous for their quality, so I'm actually using a separate mic now rather than the built-in camera. Right now this camera is actually the C922 Pro, so you guys can actually have a look at it. Yeah, in terms of the design language, it is very consistent with the C900 series. So the C920, C922, C930, they all have a very almost identical outlook, the physical look of it. Okay, so which means that your clamping method is actually the same. So it has 3 points. So 1, okay, 2, and 3. Yeah, so 1 here, okay, 2 here, and 3 here. Okay, so if you want to get to your laptop, right, it's actually it can be quite stable like that. But fair warning, like as with all the 900 series webcams, the actual weight of it is about 162 grams, which is quite heavy. So if your laptop screen is quite light, it might not support the weight, like this might sag down, so just be careful for that. So because this is not a business oriented webcam, it does not come with the privacy shutter like a hardware switch like the one that the C920 has. In my review, you can check it out on the other videos right there. Okay, so this is just your regular camera, just like that. Okay, so at the bottom it has another form of mounting. So if let's say you don't like to mount on the top of your screen, you can actually use the built-in tripod. Yeah, you can actually use the screw to actually screw in a tripod, so you can actually put like that and away from it to be more level to whatever it is you're recording. So it has quite a bit in terms of how you want to mount it, so you can actually have the freedom to do it however you wish. Okay, and last but not least, let's check out the dimensions. Okay, so the actual unit itself, the camera itself, it is about 9 cm by 4.5 cm. If I want to just count the unit, the main head, it is about 2.5 cm. But if I want to count everything in, it is about 7.3 cm. Okay, if not, then yeah, that would sum up our unboxing and first look at the Logitech C920 Pro webcam. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.